Well, I finally got that bitch out of there. Here's what it looks like. Right there. Took a little prying on it. But I was very, very careful to watch for the bearings. I've checked the bearings. The bearings are doing really well, surprisingly. And it looks like there's no wear on them, so we're good to go. Proceed with the insertion of the seal. And I'm going to clean this up a little bit first before I proceed any further with this. So, anyways, I'll be right back with you guys. All right, here's the new seal. Now, that tine doesn't fit as well as I thought it was going to, but this is what we're going to use to tappy this thing in. Now, I have this protector on it as well, so I'm going to go ahead and kind of line it up there. So I'm going to keep that on there until I'm ready to use it. Now, it already comes pre-lubed, so now you want to pick it up, slide it in there gently. Now if you hit some resistance at the end, just pick up on it. Look carefully. Okay, that's all there is to it. Go ahead and replace the C-clip on it, and we'll do the other side. That's what it looks like. And you just slide that puppy back on. Like so.